Now, under 23, say you mo man of him. Say Ghana mo can mano. You mo from can mano. Oh no. I'm can mano. It's true. I mean, listen.
Let's say the member team that combine with the other.
Zebra for say the men are be separated from among the boys.
Okay, they no na udina so can. Team Anabo if you can member. Matthias here.
And make us say me so nyakonya hwe Mali ni Niger na it was a physical and aggressive.
Kamara who is me okay. Because he a man from can member. Ah lokrela aboko ya ba kwa betra. Bishop Law was
as a bishop or ba. Okay, we were to I mean, a very difficult game. And me anticipate it's a very physical game because Niger and Kasa omo ball and near Dana Hondemo and Mali there naturally we are very physical. I mean we use Senegal, Mali are the next country Africa, a back and near Dana Hondipa, Mali Ombopa, omo ye mema. Mali mema na me when you see them omo height, omo strong naturally. Omo be BIA Juma. And this game was difficult for Mali. First 15 minutes, omo had 2 chances. And Mustafa Mam had a chance, he blew it, and then secondly Abdul Salam had a chance with it. Malians know what they normally would do is that they don't commit so many moments for games they relax. First 15-20 minutes, then they start coming into the game because look, this tournament, there's one of the finest midfielders, Boubacar Traoré, Mali. And also Mali, the about midfielders they are over the years, Boubacar Traoré and Mamadou Sangare. And Mamadou Sangare cried the goal candidate. Omo midfield Hodomwa, they are a delight to watch. The young guy na Mekato say of free bench Beshe go no, Mr. Koli Sako or starting Koli Sako Boubacar Traoré midfield. Look, they are a delight to watch. And Omo Hamdou Diallo ni Ibrahim say center back, you lie. Center back now, minim so mu from performance mu de kind 9 man no be. That's how they play. And so it was not surprised that Boubacar, Mamadou, brilliant Sangare, opportunity, and Abdoulaye Coulibaly bringing it down for a penalty. And now Mamadou Sangare na penalty no share. Then me player in this tournament that about intelligence, movement, skills, brilliant. Sekou Doumbia. Mali striker no. Obo bebia we ni mo nyina. But niema we ni FS say now there's a guy also attacking midfielder, very intelligent, Alakra Lahu, or no Shekra Alakra Lahu, of free bench by. Then he came in to give the wonderful assist for Sekou Doumbia to score. Superb performance from. After that, managing game no, they are very competitive. A team that plays so resolutely, very well. And I don't know the Niger, but I mean I don't know. And Mali, yeah. Morocco be febi time.
Morocco be prepare.
Me some be febi. Ahwandi kikrao. And then when it comes to the skill set, they are good at it. I want in Boso. On be febi pa whether you are host nation or not be febi pa. Now Egypt. Because the Egyptian team, they are picking at the right time. Thank for the be American say. On ba tournament no mo ye draw. One what them. 3 goals one match on do. I'm consider go. The only team the tournaments of have considered a goal. And I'm going to say it is because they have a top player in Hossam Abdelmajid. He is a starting centre back for Zamalek. And he only Mohamed El Maghreb, Maghreb is young or guiding you, experience and qualities there. Almost share game now look, the Gabonese rather had the better chances. Jeremy Masangui chance I was blocked. And then Eldin Matuidi had another wonderful chance. A critical crossbar. So at that moment, almost said, but they bounce back. Typical of them, playing relaxed very well. You Sabe Mohammed, Ahmed Koka from Ali, then Mahmoud, so relax. Omunya game no toss after the ubwa pass no neko Sama Faisal. But Sama Faisal is the deadly. Three chances, 2 hitting crossbar. Bakuki Pachino. He's a deadly player. He plays as center for number 9, but he withdrawn, and then Niafemi Bonobi. Then you see Ota Ahmed going forward, and then you will find out say Mamu Sabeh Sukofo no withdrawn. He's brilliant. Now until 41st minute, yellow card. Player now or how mo pa Roy Mongongwe. And Gabon also have a way of producing good midfielders. Or boy pa and on your record. Record no buy no. And Asema started to mo. He was the key guy. He was solid, graced crease, and then Amanje Gaina, the two center, but he also played very well. And typical of Egypt, they build up gradually. Oh yeah, you know, they are not moved there. They are not peton bomb game. No, 82nd minute, the opportunity came. Mustafa Saad, Ebe Mahmoud Gehad, Efremo, and Mustafa Saad is a dangerous player, so skillful, intelligent. Or corner, no, typical of them. Short corner, and oh boy, and then Mahmoud Sabe, a share go no. On one kasa, Nesan Chi, defender, Chris, Esan Kriti, a penalty, and Osama Faisal, a share. So Egypt were 2-0 up, and they've qualified a semi-final. Now, Benjamin share Egypt in Guinea. That would be interesting. But one thing the Egyptians had: solid defense, solid midfield, compact, difficult to break down. So clearly, Egypt are showing say unpersonable defending. Cap Nubium and Nyoma Bo so far they are playing very well and disciplined. So we hope that the semi-final matches are very interesting. Oh yeah. Now me call Wimbledon. Wimbledon grass, the only grass slam. Our tennis, you were the Australian Open a hard court, you were French Open a clay court, and your Wimbledon grass, and then another hard court in the US called the US Open. We're in the grass now. We know another surface. It's a ball no grass. Tennis balls a ball grass a gentle speed, a call horizontally, but ball no bounce no and cosro a buff say a cose because of the slash of the grass a cose. Now we know the oldest competition 1877.
1877.
Yes, the oldest competition. And I went to a special tournament for special reasons.
SOMPA Sports.
Omo bono players no your friend man no gentlemen. We tournament in Kwanes and your friend man ladies. Now omo bono almost share all white attire. A unique uniform purpose for Wimbledon. No other slam has that. But see a man because omo call omunyamu menses inti a man kwana ya mama kunya say a feminine betimi share other colors because a bar was a man who feature white no and no fanti man ko ba so de white no mema no so de almost white bibia white that is on Roger Federer yes so share now so beyond this we are stewards be hwe se bibia be ko so atire e hye ne bibia no free Royal Navy, Royal Air Force, British Army, and a London Brigade to make sure say omo abaimo okuchamu nkrofo yi and to who she still what that there but soldier ni or Air Force ni or Navy to
kalala wa to
so they say that and then the center court the special court the most popular court in the world because center court no we are defending champion top stars no because royal family no King Charles the first major Wimbledon we obeko royal box wo no tamone we mu akesifon de ko royal box they serve royal strawberry ni ice cream and nkofa kuku damomo sika ze bia wo now what got traho now what traho bi so there no why my bibia so hono a special play obi akenko they don't allow until hono any special invited guest and alcohol
okay
yes a special court hono now hono unya champions won go ball just say bia wa qualify
omo champions na na ko
and
kunya boy is there
the other call 2 or 3 ko na mole for ball but the Novak Djokovic ni Elena Rybakina defending champion yes and this competition also Novak we're winning 7th we'll be coming there but clearly Roger Federer 8th now this year Novak Beko 8th the only thing that prevent Novak from equaling the 8th Wimbledon apart from that obebu obiaje me can last show Roland Garros we so me san catch you win it and go to the 22 slam now Obama na Martina Batilova and I winning 9 times Grand Slam this tournament we uwinia obenya 2.35 million pounds sterling as a price for both money member difference being 2.35 million pounds sterling for the
year.
Yes, OG tournament. For the what's it?
We would the back and escape petty payama one of
and so mass singles, Bema singles, doubles, and then you have mixed doubles or bar ni Bema and about mixed doubles, no, and now boys and girls because they want to encourage a lot of young people. So at the no opportunity no come blame them. You have no idea what it will do to you. Yeah. Now, my main call Formula One. Unfortunately, Dinalo Van Hoff and your crash Formula 2 award Circuit de Francorchamps, Belgium. Young man, 18 years, professional hazard. And then Delano, yes. Well, he died yesterday. Terrible. Yes. Now, I had a Belgian Grand Prix no cost war. Circuit de Francorchamps. I had a Belgian Grand. This 18-year-old boy Dinalo Van Hoff, and a crash accident. And look, 52 top professionals have died in Formula One. And we cry. The job hazard. And Formula One crowd, Jules Bianchi, and Marusala Kano. He died 2014 Suzuka in Japan. The same thing. So there's a Jules Bianchi DNA of Formula One. So the young man, 18-year-old, is sad. So Abanasa is a very horrific. All she said, Max Verstappen winning a cry. He was not happy because or cancer for home. And I bet me to be like make a Nipa 52 in the history of Formula One and they will through such development. And so we're Formula 2. Formula One, the last death was Jules Bianchi 2014. I don't know any way. Oh, yeah, that's 24. So, Juma, the nature of the circuit, and the way any bread you come can we there, Baba. Also, the way they yeah, it's part of the unfortunately job hazard whether we have to go through. Now, Max Verstappen, we need time in to go, Baba. Max, why not the NB? Let me catch you. Or we need one, or we need pole position on Friday, which is for the starting grid. Sprint race, you know, or something we need. And a master emphatic statement. And or we need the Austrian Grand Prix. No. Now, there was something that happened. Lap 13, Lewis Hamilton in Toto Wolff. And it's a serious development that I'm watching. Now, Lando Norris, driving McLaren, Ed Dinechi. And now Mercedes now is slow. And I can say, and Masa, we can't slow. I can't do the matches. Masa Jawa said, "Mupe complain do," and he got upset. With this 7th, post me share this week, this week or sign or renew the contract. No, you don't upset Louis. It's a first timer, principal race director. So Peter Bonin, I can say, Louis Pacho with the boss and can ye. Because someone himself, umani bufua or conswa, Mercedes no be. Yeah. So they say. So how do you manage that? But once again, the grandmaster, the current grandmaster is Max Verstappen. Like it, hate him or whatever, he's the unnecessary defining Formula One race. This race was a bit difficult. Only Charles Leclerc, especially the first lap, not Charles Leclerc, to say Ohano, or so every Charles Leclerc, nobody did him, and that was it. Immediately he got there, that was it. Now, lap 70 or ABB, I just said, Aquano, he's matured in driving. Or per se on your fastest lap, which will give you a point. And so lap 70, then who he answered, so pissed up on Saturday, because I and on me and on ya, or winning on Sanya additional point now, 81 point between him and Sergio Perez. The next place, unfortunately for him, the Silverstone, British Grand Prix, a Nyama Red Bull. But this boy is breaking records. And he can win that race as well. But for now, he's the one. Makato, he will win the race. He will win the title this year. Baby, I want him. Wow.